Hi, so I'm back on the wall cabinet build. I've been away replacing my floor so it won't creak anymore. Also did some other improvements, more about that later. I will start by cleaning up some scraps. I don't have a scrub plane yet, but that will come later. In the meantime, I will use my number 3. I'm using a simple tea light for lubrication. They are really cheap and it works well. Now you may recall my drawings from the other day. Here's a side view again. As you can see, all the boards line up. And to make some structural improvement on that, not just glue or anything, I would like to make them tongue and groove. Now I don't have any specialty planes to do the tongue and groove joints, but I do have a plow plane which I can use for the groove, but I will have to do some experiments for the tongue. I'm using a shooting board here to square up the sides. Now most people just use a shooting board for the end grain, but this also works if your boards are not too long. Setting up a plow plane is always a bit fiddly to me, so I like to put it in the vise. Now I've noticed that this is not a precision instrument. The fence is a bit wobbly and it's not easy to set the distance from the side of the board. But I'm pretty much centered in the board here, so that's okay. And I need to make the tongue to fit anyway. Now first I'll try and see if I can make the tongue with the plow plane, but that's not easy because it's not a precision instrument, like I said, and I need to do adjustments anyway. Which is okay really, because now I will get a good fit. Especially the back side of the board is difficult because the depth stop of the plow plane will not work there. So you need to just guess how deep you need to go, and this will not be precise. And of course I went too deep. That's not a big problem for the backside of the cabinet, but for the top and bottom, that's not acceptable because these need to be precise. I'm using a rabbet block plane here to adjust the width of the tongue because it was too wide. So second attempt, I will use my rabbet block plane to do the tongue in its entirety, so from scratch. Just using the other piece of wood as a straight edge here, but you can use anything you like. Just needs to be set up at the right depth. Okay, almost there. It just needs some fine adjustment. Okay, that's a wrap.